Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. Today's episode, this guy right here, he's back, and you're going to be seeing a lot more of him because he is now officially a part of the channel. And everybody, welcome Trey. Leave a comment down below, clap hands, all that good stuff, thumbs up. So look forward to having him with us because he's going to be very, very helpful to the channel. He is a mechanic and he's a fellow car geek just like myself, and we are today at Imola Motorsports, and there's a huge show here today. They have I kind of can't give it away yet. They have something inside in this other room back here. It's one of 40 in the world, and it happens to be here today. And
we are very excited.
All week, man. Can't contain myself. So we're gonna get right into it. But before we do, you guys know the routine. Go ahead, hit that subscription button, the notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up, all that stuff. It is super, super helpful, and it's very greatly appreciated. All right, check this stuff out back here. We've got cars all over, so we're gonna get into it right now. So there's a line behind these trees, and it wraps all the way up to the building up here, where inside is that amazing machine that we're gonna hold off on telling you what it is for a little bit anyways. But we're gonna do some of this line. It does look like it's kind of moving, but we'll see. So we've gotten, I don't know, halfway through the line, maybe about, and honestly, it's moving pretty quick. It's been, what, maybe 20 minutes-ish? 20, 25 minutes, so I feel like we've been at a little standstill here for a moment, but it does kind of look like we got some movement going, so fingers crossed we'll have something here soon.
A few moments later.
right, well, I guess we got a little bit of a rain delay. It is pretty much the end of the show anyways, and so they were wrapping things up, and it did start to rain, so we did catch pretty much everything. Unfortunately, though, we waited in line to see that sweet Bugatti Aston Martin. Definitely worth it, standing in line, but we did sacrifice seeing all the other stuff that was there in the process. So, do apologize for that. We did get some footage here and there. Wow. Oh, shit, hail.
Oh, good.
Yeah, that's perfect. My favorite. I love hail. The truck loves hail. So it's little BB size maybe right now, but so we got that to look forward to. I mean, that's cool. Well, anyways, that's gonna wrap things up for us. I hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna try to piece together whatever we can for this video here with the footage we were able to get, and we will see you next time. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. Later, boys.